Hey guys, this is Fundo on Parama. Tonight on Uzalo, Nosipho follows Pastor Gwala to explain everything what happened on her pregnancy. And he explained that he sleep with a monthly, but he use a condom and he take the sperm of monthly and make an inflation that she will be pregnant. But it seems like Pastor Kuala does not believe Nosipo. And Nosipo tell Pastor Kuala that Monley does not know that he pregnant his child. While Putin is unveiling and he really as dangerous as people has been saying he is. And Genji does not give Putin the money. He wants to see Putin eyes to eyes. But Tsimbi warned Genji that Putin will kill them. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.